Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you the game Crysis on the Radxa Dragon Q6A, which has a Snapdragon QCS 6490 SoC. So first I'll show you the system information. I'm running with Armbian and we're having kernel 6.18.10 for the QCS 6490. And you might wonder why this doesn't show up as a regular Steam game. That's because the Felix86 team, they bought Crysis for me, but they bought it on GOG. And since I'm too lazy to set up DXVK, I decided to go with the Steam client, and in this case the ARM64 Steam client. And one more thing, so I'm using the Crysis executable from this GitHub page, and it should have better compatibility with modern hardware and perhaps also some more quality of life improvements. And as I said, I'm using the ARM64 Steam client, and it's not always possible to add a game because the browse button doesn't work. But since you need to log in first with another Steam client, you can add the game with the other Steam client. For instance, if you have installed it with Fex or Box64 or perhaps the Ubuntu Snap. Hello. Now sometimes the GUI is not really responsive, but here you can see that I selected the executable, and I'm also using Proton 11 for ARM64. And I started the Steam client with MangoHud so that we will be able to see the frames per second once we're in the game. So let's try to start the game. So I set the resolution to 960 by 540. Some of the text is a bit hard to read with that resolution, but I think it's a trade-off between a higher resolution and higher frames per second. So, and while perhaps you can lower the advanced options, that's also a possibility. So let's start a new game. So when it's running the intro movie, then don't look at the frames per second because that doesn't make any sense. But once we're in game, then it will report a more sensible number. Well, let's get to the game. Okay.
Nomad, you still with us?
Okay, listen up, gentlemen. Intel reports a significant military presence on the island. We have the element of surprise, so let's use it. The North Koreans can't know we're here.
I won't even know we'll hit something.
Can it, Psycho? Pay attention. This is a covert operation. Our job is to locate and evacuate. We're not at war here.
Not yet. Oh, right. Do you even know if these people are still alive?
That's what we're here to find out. We lost contact with Dr. Rosenthal a week ago, and the Korean military locked down the island. 2 days ago, we picked up a distress signal from the team's research vessel. Someone down there wants to be found.
Raptor team, we're beginning approach. Stand by for briefing.
All right, gear up. Masks on. Once we clear the plane, form up on me. Shoots on my mark.
Green in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go! See you guys at the LZ.
So, J-Sox got us chasing archaeologists now? Yeah, this will be a cakewalk.
I've heard of this guy. He must have found something we need to buy.
So let's try night vision.
50 bucks says this Rosenthal ain't the reason we're here. Lock it up, team. Stay focused. We got limited intel going in. Upcom's being moved to USS Constitution. Till they're 5x5, we're on our own. Shoots on my command. Go!
What the hell? You see that? Move on, Zach. He lost the shoot.
My shoot's gone. My damn shoot is gone. I've got no band, no reserve.
Keep it together, kid. You're overwater. The suit should absorb the impact.
So it's not 60 frames per second, but I think it's still playable.
Make sure your silencer's attached.
So night vision, I think we need to go here.
Careful, Gwen. Enemy contact up ahead. Prophet, this is Aztec. Copy? I read you. Give a sit rep. Something took a swing at me on the way down. I'm caught up in the trees. Okay, Aztec. Hang tight. Help's on the way.
Well, I think you get an idea how this game plays on the Radxa Q6A with the Snapdragon Q6490. And
Come on, let's get to Aztec.
now we're
What have you got, Aztec?
joining up with the other team members. Well, I'm going to stop the game here, and yeah, perhaps it's possible to get some better performance if you install DXVK with Wine or Hangover. Personally, I don't think that the Steam client adds a lot of overhead, so yeah, perhaps it is possible to get a little bit more performance without the Steam client, but for me this was just a more convenient way, and it's also a possibility to test the Proton version for ARM64. So yeah, I'm going to try to get Crysis running on more of my SBCs, but usually with the Radxa Q6A, because it has good OpenGL support, and in this case also a Vulkan driver that is good enough, and that is one of the advantages over the Rockchip RK3588. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.